What's up, everybody? You've got to watch this video because I'm fixing to show you one of the biggest collabs that Gas Monkey's ever done, and it is going to blow your mind. And what's this? Well, I said watch the video. Hey Siri, text Jake Paul. So we're at Puerto Rico, fixing to get in the car and go see Jake Paul at his compound because, you know, when Jake Paul calls, you get on the plane, you go to Miami, you get on another plane, you go to Puerto Rico, and you show up. So that's exactly what we're doing. Got in yesterday, got a good night's sleep. Now I'm going to go. Think I'm a contender? I don't know. Let's go. So they had the celebration of life for Tom that passed away, and we bought his collection, or a big piece of his collection, up in Madison, Wisconsin. So they wanted me to leave the cars there for a little while so they could have this party, and I'm pretty stoked on it. And a few people have expressed interest in some of the cars, so I've been fielding some calls. It looks like we sold the Ford with the surfboards on top of it, the Woody wagon, and then we just couldn't make a deal on the Shelby, 69 Shelby GT350. So I'm gonna go ahead and drag that with all the rest of the cars up to Auburn, Indiana for the big sale on Labor Day weekend. And they're all going no reserve. We'll see what happens. What's going on?
How are you, man?
Good to see you, man.
Yeah. All right, so as you can tell, Boxing Bullies is growing, and I appreciate everyone's help and support and love with growing the organization over the past couple of years. We're going to Las Vegas, Chicago, LA, Cleveland, more and more gyms, and really the goal with Boxing Bullies is to spread the sport of boxing, to help kids with their confidence, and to fight back against bullying, and specifically cyberbullying. So be nice to each other on the internet. But I'm here with Richard from Gas Monkey. I grew up watching your stuff.
Ah, man, I'm not that old.
Yeah.
Come on. That's what I hear all the time. I grew up watching you.
Together, we are partnering up to build a Gas Monkey Dodge Ram TRX to give away to one of y'all watching this video right now.
Absolutely.
Y'all can win a Dodge Ram TRX. I love the Dodge Ram so much. It's fast, it drives like a Porsche, and it just sounds so amazing.
Just a Dodge Ram TRX, a Gas Monkey Dodge Ram TRX. We're gonna put our spin on it.
Let's
you
go.
Put your spin on this one, but I got a couple ideas and a few tricks up my sleeve.
And we're gonna be giving it to one of y'all so we can raise more money for Boxing Bullies and grow the organization even more, and to help more kids, get more boxing gloves into the hands of kids, open more gyms, and fight back against bullying. So I'm really excited. And not to mention, the winner of the Dodge Ram is gonna get flown out to Dallas for my fight, got put up in a hotel, and come to the fight in the Dodge Ram with Richard. And then you guys are gonna be able to come backstage and hang out with me before the fight.
Get you some of that, as we say at Gas Monkey. This is gonna be rad.
Another thing, Most Valuable Promotions also set aside 35 tickets for you to give to any local boxing club of your choice in Dallas.
You know, there's a couple of boxing clubs in my neighborhood. I see the kids running every day. So that is freaking kick-ass. I love it. So we got some tickets. Go to gasmonkeygarage.com. Somebody's going to get a TRX, come to Dallas party, have a good time with me and Jake before the fight. Then after the fight, probably, whatever, I don't know. But we're going to build you a badass TRX, Gas Monkey style. And right now, we're going to go check out this gym that you haven't even seen yet.
I haven't seen it yet. This is where we trained for Tyron Woodley. My brother was training here for Floyd Mayweather. This is our first gym that we used when we moved to Puerto Rico. and we fully renovated it with Boxing Bullies, so let's check it out.
Cool.
Wow. Wow, I don't even recognize the space. That's crazy.
It's good. It's everything you need.
Dude, when I'm telling you, if you saw this before, I mean, this is crazy.
So Jake's over there right now, so we gotta make sure we take care of this.
Good old time sleep.
You didn't see nothing?
What happened?
Nothing happened.
What's going on?
He was just checking out the window tint.
Oh yeah, hey, what?
Yeah, I saw you yesterday pulling in, going to the hotel in a black Suburban, and you were coming out, and I was like, dadgummit, if that's not, I recognized the wheels.
You're like,
and I went, I think that's him. So I pulled over
like,
the side of the road, and I was like this.
Ah, yeah.
I was goofing around. So here's the thing you don't know. It's true. You can go to gasmonkeygarage.com right now and donate to Boxing Bullies, Jake Paul's true passion about helping out the inner city kids. And right now, I'm going to tell you how we're going to kick this off. Not only are we building a TRX, and we're going to trick it out Gas Monkey style, and you're going to get to go to the fight with me in that TRX, hang out backstage with Jake and his team, but I'm going to get it started even though I can't win because of the rules. I'm gonna start it with 10 grand, so let's go.
Wow, you're gonna put in 10?
10 grand's already in.
Let's go, I'll match that.
Boom!
Let's
Look at
go.
that, we're already at 20 G's.
We're already at 20 G's, let's go.
Woo!
I love that. Come on.
So what's up, everybody? I just packed my fanny pack because that's what you're supposed to carry when you go on vacation in another country. But it's still kind of, I don't know. I don't know if Puerto Rico's a country or not. But at the end of the day, we finished up with Jake Paul, and I asked him where the best pizza was. He told us where it's at. So came home, grabbed everything we need, and we're gonna go eat a slice. Get you some of that. So we're going to Parillo pizza place. And you know I like a pizza, so I am like a pizza fiend. So this has been told by us by several different people, and you gotta ask the right people. I asked the airport baggage handlers, I asked the ticket people, I asked the taxi drivers, I asked the regular drivers, I asked everybody what's the best pizza, and so here we are.
Okay, so
we're gonna go check it out. We're chilling out, and they have their idea of what pizza is pizza, but then again, it's Puerto Rico. I picked a few things that I think are gonna work, that I think are pretty bitchin'. What I really like about this place is it's just, you feel like you're in a pizzeria that's in the middle of Connecticut since the early 1900s. So killer pizza, unbelievable, and it's still only like 5 o'clock in the evening. So we're ready to go. We're gonna go party. So we're in Puerto Rico right now. It's the capital of the world of rum manufacturing, way back in the old days of Pirates of the Caribbean, which I think is a true story. So, you know, we're gonna have a little rum drink. Let's see what's up. And I don't usually drink rum, but when in Rome or Puerto Rico, you do what the locals do. That's very tasty. So we'll get back to Dallas today, find a TRX and start customizing it, and you're gonna go along on the journey. You're gonna see every single thing we do to it, and when we finally show it off to Jake and his camp, when they come to Dallas for the fight, then we're gonna pick a winner, and that person's gonna get that truck, go to the fight with me, go backstage, meet Jake, and don't forget, this is all for a good cause, Boxing Bullies. Jake and I each already gave 10 grand. It's off to a good start, and we want to raise a shit ton of money on this one. TRX ringside seats at the Jake Paul fight, August 5th. Get you some of that right now at GasMonkeyGarage.com. All right, so I just got back from Puerto Rico yesterday. We didn't get back till late. I'm tired, but I think I've located one of only a handful of TRXs that are even available right now, brand new. And it's a white one out of Virginia. So I'm on the phone this morning trying to make that deal happen. And then we got to get it all the way here, which is going to add a couple of days of transportation. It's just chaos right now, but we're in the game and we're fighting for it, so let's go. All right, so we've been hanging out for a little bit. My guys from Virginia came in. Scott with Carter Myers Ram actually helped me find an actual Ram truck, white, 2023, fully loaded. And I was pretty excited because there was only 2 available in the whole nation. And they were a black one and a white one. And you guys had one. And then I call you and you're like, well, we did the one for Jake Paul.
Yeah.
And I'm like, well, this is pretty interesting since you guys built his and sold it to him and delivered it down to Puerto Rico, and it happens that it's coming full circle because I went down there and hung out. Yeah. And I was like, well, do we do like a sports car, Camaro, whatever, you know, Dodge? And he's like, no, let's do a Ram truck. And so here we are, and when's the car gonna get here?
I tell you, I called my driver, and he's actually on family vacation. I'm hoping middle of next week, and I hope that's okay. I know you want to try to get it as soon as possible, but you know, probably middle of next week, and he's gonna do the best that he can.
If I can do Monday or Tuesday, it'd be better.
Okay.
Because I've got to wheel it up, level it up, put a few Gas Monkey tricks on it, and give it a little bit of attitude.
You know, there's places you could have got your Ram from. Jake bought from us. It's so random because we didn't know, and Jake thought that like maybe his assistant connected us, and I'm like, no, it's just random, and that's the power of social media. But we appreciate your business, you know, and we look forward to this project. I'm really excited about what you're raising money for, and Jake Paul's a big name, and y'all two together, that's going to be a powerful group.
Well, you know, I got one bad thing to say about Jake Paul. I'm just going to put it out there, okay?
Okay.
Just going to throw it out there. He goes, yeah, I grew up watching you. Jake, I'm not that freaking old, okay? I'm not that old.
That's awesome.
I mean, I am old, and you probably did grow up watching me, but you didn't have to put it to me that way. I was a little rough. Cried all the way home, and it was 2 flights. But, you know, no, I love what his vision is.
I'm excited. I can't wait to see. I'm walking around your shop and just amazed at the work that y'all do. And, I mean, this is a badass truck. I mean, it truly is.
I know, I have one.
I can't wait to see what you do with it.
I was actually afraid that we weren't going to be able to find a new one, and I was going to have to give up mine. I love my truck. I didn't want to give it up. So we got this one that's just like Jake's. It's white and black and ready to rock and roll. And I need it though, man. I need to put some wheels on it. I need to lift it up. I need to get some attitude.
I'll call my guy and see if I can't get it here any faster. Let you and I do a little side bet here.
Oh, side bet.
Yeah, side bet.
He's got cash.
What if I could get it? What if I can get it here faster?
Come on.
Than Monday. Now, I just talked to you.
Well, it's Friday afternoon.
We just spoke yesterday. Well, I'm trying to get it here before Monday.
I'm in. So what's the side bet? $100? I mean, because it's going to take a day to
Hey, he's
drive
got a
it,
little
even
more
if you
than
drive
100 if you're confident.
Your stack's a little bit bigger than mine, I promise you.
Oh, whatever, man.
Let's go.
Your
I got
car-
5 on it.
Look at all these Rolexes around here. I know what's going on.
All right, I'll tell you what. It'll be for the kids.
Okay, so the bet goes to Boxing Bullies.
I tell you what, we'll do another 100 if I can get it here by Sunday.
All right, I'm in.
All right, one more if I can get it here by Saturday.
I'm in.
All right.
Done. The
I'll make a
money's on
phone
the
call.
table.
I'll make a phone call.
So we just bet $100 per day that he can trim off the delivery time, and the bet doesn't go to he or I, but whoever wins is going to donate it to Boxing Bullies.
Yep.
Got your beers.
Thank you.
We got that laying there. Let's go see what's up in the Gas Monkey Garage. This is a 78 short bed Ranger Lariat package. So it's basically everything you can get. And I bought this truck kind of for myself. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with it, but it's really, really nice. And I know what you people are thinking on the internet. I know what you're thinking. Oh, it's all rough. It's not. It's not. It doesn't have holes. It's just got surface rust. They call it patina.
Patina.
Yeah, patina is like a 4-letter word in some circles, but here we like it. You know, but
So this is art to you.
Yeah.
oh, I love this truck. What's going on?
What was that?
I don't know. Why is the door even open? It's summertime.
What the fuck?
You said Tuesday, man.
Hey, I guess you won the bet, Scott.
I guess you win the
Never,
bet.
never been a car dealer.
Never. I know. I should have known that. Never been a car dealer. Holy cow! See, it's newer than mine because it's got the big dash.
It's a level 2 pano roof. It's got of course the big monitor, safety and security package. It's got the carbon. See the carbon in here? It's got your bed, safety and security package, plus your bed, plus pano roof, in level 2.
Well, see, I never understood why trucks are so expensive because the last 6 feet of them don't have anything in it. Dude, I cannot believe you got it here. I literally called you. It is 5:15 on Friday, and I called you what, noon yesterday?
Yeah.
Holy shit!
Yeah.
That is amazing.
I got a great team.
You're responsible for this
Yes,
because
sir.
I was just talking to him yesterday at noon.
Yes, sir.
You drove it?
Yeah, I was coming back from Gatlinburg and got a
Family
phone
vacation.
call from him saying that you had purchased a vehicle from him and you needed to get it here by Monday. And then he told me he was going to be here tomorrow, which is today at 4 o'clock. So I said, I'll get it there.
It's 5:15. The truck's good job, sir.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely
I
good
appreciate
job.
it, President. Thank you
This
so
is
much.
amazing.
Yeah, his company's #1 hustler. And
Number one hustler.
#1 hustler.
I love it.
Get it done.
Getting it done.
That is freaking great.
Yeah, we wanted to exceed your expectations.
Well,
Plus,
you-
I wanted to win that bet.
If you're over on that side of the world, well, you don't really need to be.
Yeah,
I'm
we
in
sh-
Texas.
yeah, we
Carter
should.
Myers Ram. That's where you need to go. That's a shameless plug from yours truly because these guys killed it. It has only been like 29 hours and there were only 2 TRXs available in the nation. Boom. So you seen it here and you seen it first. I went to Puerto Rico, met up with Jake Paul and his team, Boxing Bullies. This is the foundation that you're gonna wanna donate to. You're gonna get a tricked out TRX, ringside seats with me at the fight August 5th. Get on there, gasmonkeygarage.com. And now the build starts. Hey guys, get over here.